If you are an e-commerce business owner and looking to increase your ROS, this video is for you. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, success isn't just measured in numbers. It's a testament to strategy, innovation, and resilience. During the pandemic, the owner of Sunshine Caps, Lauren, began sewing masks and donating them to healthcare providers. When hygienists and medical professionals were allowed to return to work, they were covered in gowns and shields, leaving no room for self-expression. This motivated the owner, and they created scrub caps with fun and vibrant designs that would spark conversations between patients and co-workers. The idea of starting her own business and creating products that brought joy during a stressful time truly resonated with her. As the demand grew, she started sewing for her friends and family, eventually selling her creations online. She played with different sewing patterns, tweaked the sizing and measurements, and created custom styles to meet everyone's need. The thought was beautiful, but it had its own challenges. Despite their quality products, their online store was facing some hurdles. Some of their products, like the medical scrub caps and compression socks, were not able to generate the desired clicks and conversions. This resulted in a stagnant return on advertising spend of 3 to 4 times. When faced with stagnant ad performance and sales, Sunshine Caps found themselves at a crossroad. Despite previous attempts with other marketing agencies, there were still some products that severely underperformed. Realizing their need for a new agency and the desire to improve results, they came to us for a strategic SEM makeover. Marstroke dived into the issues and dived deep. We split Lauren's product line into 2 categories: the winners getting good traction and the strugglers needing extra help. The 2 main tactics that we employed to revive Sunshine Caps business included product optimization and targeted campaigns. We identified underperforming products like medical scrub caps and compression socks based on clicks and conversions data. Once we identified the underperforming products, we removed them from the existing campaigns. This allowed us to relocate all our budget and resources towards promoting high-performing items instead. By focusing on products which were generating most clicks and conversions, we maximized the effectiveness of advertising campaigns. Created new and dedicated campaigns for the non-performing products that were removed from the existing campaigns. Leveraged Sunshine Shop's strong brand search volume by launching a brand campaign. By targeting brand keywords, we captured high-intent traffic from users who were already familiar with the brand and were more likely to convert into customers. The strategic moves got the job done, and the results say it all. Like they say, results speak loud, but numbers speaks louder. The ROS increased from 3 to 7.86x. The conversion value increased by 108%, reaching more than $16,000. Lauren was happy, and here's how she expressed her feelings. Want your business to be featured just like Sunshine Caps? Get in touch with Marstroke and be a part of more such stories.